Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another slime review video. Today I am doing a 100% honest review of Blushingbb slimes, and can I just say these slimes were incredible. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below. I want to hit 900,000 so soon, like maybe this month. That'd be so amazing. If you are new to my channel, subscribe right down below. Give this video to 5,000 thumbs up for more slime review videos, and comment down below if you subscribed and turn on the bell, and I will comment back to you guys. So this first slime is called Cotton Candy Milk, and oh my lord, this slime was so amazing. When I first poked it, I was like, oh, it's gonna be like a super milky kind of slime, but it was so thick, so glossy, literally incredible, and it smelled so good, just like cotton candy. I love how it was mixed together. You had the side by side in the container, and this was just so satisfying. I could not resist myself. I was so amazed, and once it was all mixed together, it makes the most amazing magenta purple color, and it was so nice. I just love this slime. This next slime is a S'mores Crunch Wafer Cube slime, and it was so incredible. I do love these wafer cubes. They are so nice, and I love how glossy this slime is. I couldn't get over how thick her slimes were. I've never felt slimes this thick before, and I was so happy about it. It smelled so much like s'mores, like so much so where I was hungry when I was plucking this slime. It was just so amazing. And yeah, it's so nice. I can't get over it. I know I always say nice in my review videos, but it's just nice. What can I say? This next slime is a mint chip microfloam, and wow, okay, this was a new level, so crunchy. So it had a clear glue base, green color on the base of the slime, and it had microfloam with these little like foam, like Java chips. And I couldn't get over how crunchy this was once I had it all mixed together. And also I wanted to mention that her slimes did not deactivate at all. I received this package for a week, and I had it in my apartment for 1 week, and I never opened it until I filmed this video like 2 days ago. And it was so nice still. They were not deactivated. I love it when shops kind of overactivate them before they send them out in the mail, because then in the summertime they can just melt a little bit or just get normal before it's like at your house. So I love this slime. It's so nice. It smells so much like mint chip. It's so good. This next slime is called Butterscotch Brittle Ice Crisp, I think it's called. And it was so nice. I do love how there was 3 little marshmallow like beanbag filler beads to represent butterscotch. And once again, so crunchy, smells just like butterscotch. It made me so hungry. All these slime made me starving. And you know, it was just a lot of scents at once, but in a really great way. I love scented slime so much. And again, so crunchy. I could not believe it. Comment down below, you guys, what slime you love the best so far, and if you love butterscotch. This next slime is called Red Velvet Cheesecake Wafer. It's a wafer cube slime. And once again, like the s'mores wafer cube, so thick. I just can't get over the base of these slimes. Like, they're just amazing. So holdable too, but they're also really not crunchy, but they like very like thick and not thick. What's the word? Clicky. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. They are thick, but just clicky is what I'm trying to say. It smells so good, like red velvet cheesecake, and it's just so nice. I have to say nice. This next slime is called Tipsy Unicorn Ice Cream. It's a microfloam. And by the way, all these slimes except one of them were $14, if you're wondering what price range and stuff. So amazing. Once again, it has a microfloam base and it has the pink, super bright colored base. So crunchy. I couldn't get over how crunchy these all were. I was like, is this real ASMR? This ASMR is going to blow out my speakers. It's so nice and so intense. And then she is seriously so nice, and she included 2 extras. And I noticed this when I was looking at my order to get the names of these all out. I was like, oh my gosh, there's 2 extra slimes in here. It was so nice of her to do that. She did not have to do that at all. It's a clear slime with little like pink and white palms with foam beads inside of it also. So nice, and more of like a putty than a slime, I would say. But still, it's so nice. And once it melts a little bit from being in the mail still, I think it'll be more of a slime. But seriously, it's so holdable and so relaxing. This second extra is called Up in the Clouds, and this reminds me of whenever I watch her Instagram and she has this on top of like other slimes. She'll like put it into a slime swirl on top of other slimes, and it just makes the most amazing ASMR. And it's so moussey and thick, and I love it. Almost smells like marshmallows, and it smells so nice. This next slime is called Gummy Bear Pool Party, and this one like blew my mind. It was so freaking cute. So if you look at it from underwater, like whenever you are in a pool and you're like underwater, you look up, there's of course, you know, at the top of the pool like floaties and stuff, and that's what the little like gumballs are on top. And then there's the rings in the bottom of the pool, that's also gummy bears. It was just so creative and so cute. And also you guys said that people make their clear slime thick by adding vegetable glycerin, and I want to like DIY that out because it looks so amazing. This clear slime is so thick, so incredible. It's so beautiful too. I just couldn't stop playing with it. I was so impressed with all these slimes. So yeah, guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe down below. Please help me hit 900,000. I would love to hit a new milestone by the end of the month. It's currently July 2nd or July 3rd. Oh my gosh. And I would love to hit a new milestone. It'd be so much fun. And comment down below if you're new to my channel. Turn the bell on. Give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm going to be doing back to school videos. I know, RIP, I'm so sorry, pretty soon, but I will also still be doing like slime stuff and just all that normal stuff. So stay tuned for giveaways and all that stuff. And once we hit a new milestone on my channel, I will for sure do a giveaway for you guys. Because you guys are amazing. Love you guys so much. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.